8-inch deep Regressed LED from Lotus LED Lights. 8-inch round deep Regressed LED. Elegant design without glare. 4 options of trims. White trim with white or silver reflector. Black trim with black or silver reflector. Type IC, airtight and wet location certified. No housing required. 4.5-inch deep. Install where ceiling space is limited. 38-degree beam angle. 2 power options. Regular 18-watt 1550 lumen and high output 30-watt 2700 lumen for 3000 Kelvin with CRI 90+. 6 light color options. 2700, 3000, 3500, 4000, 5000 Kelvin options, plus dim to warm 3000 Kelvin to 2000 Kelvin. 5 CCT user selectable. Triac Dimmable with 120 volt input, or 0 to 10 volt dimmable with 120 volt to 347 volt input. Armored cable and metal connectors, open plenum rated. Driver inside connection box with Romex quick connectors and knockouts. Fast installation, no junction box needed. Available accessories. Flat mounting plates. Extension cables up to 40 feet. Goof rings to cover bigger holes. UL and Energy Star certified. Warranty, 10-year on residential, 5-year on commercial applications.